Hey there, dear friends, hope you're having a great day. We're back with a new tutorial video. We'll teach you pattern making. Feeling unprofessional? Let's master creating stunning ready-made clothing patterns with ease. For instance, I'm crafting this clothing right now. I've got some pre-made patterns ready to use here. Typically, you'll find these as PDFs or images, easily available online. Usually, these patterns come in defined sizes and are incredibly precise. Here's just a part of the pattern for reference. Alright, I've got this sorted, I've separated it, and now I'm heading to the next section. Just right-click in 2D and choose Add. Next, I'll add the background image from the Image menu. I select and open the template file. You can now move the pattern. Feel free to tweak the scale as well. Go ahead and adjust it. I'm setting mine to 150. There we go, let's lock it in now. See, this pattern guides us. Here we are in the 2D section. Let's dive in and start creating. Time to jump right in. Let's dive into the process. I'll be selecting the polygon option to shape our design today. I'm honing in on crucial details and recurring patterns here. Right now, I'm diving deep into crafting this design with precision and creativity. This requires adjustment, especially in the fabric area. Simply tweak the opacity here. Lower it to reveal the guide pattern. Check this out right now. Dive into the creative process by selecting the Edit Creature option. Take a moment to fine-tune each area, making adjustments as necessary to bring your unique vision to life with precision and style. Quickly, let's explore this preset pattern. We've arrived precisely. Feel free to tweak opacity. Now, go ahead and reset the opacity to 100 for full visibility. Feel free to add this guide pattern into the mix. If it's not needed though, you can easily remove it from the project. Dive right into the 2D section with a quick right-click. From there, select the Edit Background Image option to customize your workspace exactly how you need it for this project. Simply click Reset to clear. Watch as everything gets tidied up right in this spot. Alright, apply your pattern. See how you're crafting a stunning symmetry pattern right now. Next, shape a rectangle around the waist section. Creating pants patterns has never been simpler. Thanks for watching, everyone. I truly hope this tutorial proved useful for you. Follow us in the next parts too.